Hi, I wanted to walk you through the steps to getting started on our Chromebook Basics virtual course. You'll notice that I am in the Chromebook Basics Introduction Google Classroom class. This is the code that you got from OnTrack or from some other place. Please make sure that you've taken a second and registered for the course in OnTrack. If you search for Chromebook Basics, you'll be able to access the course. Once you're in the Google Classroom, you'll notice that there's an opportunity for you to reflect here. It's ungraded, so it's just for you to start thinking about what you want to get out of this course. The link to the video that you're watching now. And you'll also notice this Google form. So each of the modules of this workshop will have those same things. It will have an opportunity for you to reflect, there'll be a video, and then there'll be a Google form. The Google form is how you move on to the next one. So when you can successfully complete the Google form, you have to get 100% on it to move on. You'll get an email in your inbox that has the code to the next Google Classroom that you'll open up. And the reason that we're doing this is because that will let you complete one section at a time, and then you'll join the next Google Classroom. I think that's beneficial because you'll be able to do things in chunks and you won't have to scroll through 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 different Google Forms and different videos trying to find the one that you're looking for. So it's all very contained into manageable chunks. You should be able to do each one of these chunks in anywhere between 10 and 20 minutes depending on your skill level. And if you're already relatively adept with Chromebooks, you might be able to move through them even faster. So this is completely geared to you, the skill level that you're at, and the level of speed with which you're able to move through the resources and the work. You'll notice when I click on this Google form, this takes me to the introduction of Google Basics form. So you're going to check off each of these things, letting us know that you understand the scope of this course and the requirements of this course. You'll notice that it mentions that there's no specific instructor for this course. My name's Kendra, I'm the one who developed it, and if you notice that there's something wrong with the class, something's not functioning properly, or you notice something's missing, feel free to reach out to me. But other than that, the course is developed so that you can work on it on your own. It's self-paced, it's a virtual course. You shouldn't need an instructor. You can watch the videos, you can feel free to Google things. My intention is that you're using a Chromebook to complete the course. So use the Chromebook, try things out, see what works, see what doesn't, and as you're completing the quizzes at the end of each module, use the Chromebook, figure things out. This is all an opportunity for you to learn more stuff. At the end of each of the forms, you'll notice there's a spot for you to put in your email address. Please ensure that it's put in accurately. If you make a mistake on the email, you'll have to complete the form again. There's really no way of ensuring that you've completed the course if you don't put in your email address correctly. So please make sure you're careful about submitting it. I hope you enjoy learning about Chromebooks, and I'm excited for you to get started.